Can you yes one
So crystallites are oriented in this direction, -1D.
uh,
That means from the surface, crystallites are oriented. So surface is like this, but most of the crystallites are sitting like this,
okay.
right? Whereas in other direction there are less.
Mm.
So most of the crystallites are oriented like this. Other directions they are less. So that's why there's a preferential orientation in this direction. So you can calculate the preferential direction. And preferential direction is defined as preferential direction index, the number. Right? This number is calculated like this. So you take care of all the directions and then you have a number which says that it is this direction. So essentially in your case is -1 degree. So from your surface you reduce -1. This is how your crystals, most of the crystals are sitting. Some crystals are sitting in other directions. So next most intense is 0. Right? So most of them are tilted, but then others are not tilted. But there are some other tilts also, but they are less in number. Right? So this is how. So usually we scan this. We never see these. Because usually tube is always calculated from 0 direction. So we never see this information unless you do this 2D.
Yes, sir. And one more question here. See, now spinning is 0. We didn't capture spinning, so we can do that flat
So
sample holder
spinning
also.
will average it out.
Okay.
Spinning will average it out. Yes. Yes, you can do this exercise in flat samples. You have to put in the silicon in the pin.
That's why
Yes, yes.
we can
So
do, no?
स्पिनिंग से क्या होगा? ऐसे करने से स्पिनिंग से क्या होगा? ये देखिए, ये जो क्रिस्टलाइट ऐसे था ना, जब ये स्पिन होगा तो ऐसे आ जाएगा. तो -1, ये जो -1 था, +1 में भी ये इंटेंसिटी आ जाएगी. तो सारी डायरेक्शन की इंटेंसिटी इक्वल हो जाएगी. तो कोई प्रेफरेंशियल ओरिएंटेशन नहीं दिखेगा.
So same setup we can use for that flat also.
Yes.
Flat mean thin films also we can do. Okay, great.
So this is 2D.
So here, which type of slit we use, sir? First slit is first divergent is
As per the size, so 1/2.
Okay.
Because the size is huge. And the angle of incidence is 28.4. Right? More than 15. At 15 you use 1/4. The 28 you use 1/2. This is the logic. But 28 is for this sample. Some other sample you have a peak at 10 degree. Then you have to use slit for that 10 degree. Right? So depends on, and this is one peak. Similarly you can check other peaks. How are they oriented?
So at a time we can check our piece by piece.
One by one.
Okay.
So you have to go to next to theta, do the same thing. Next to theta and do
We have to do the normal scan from the 10 to something. Then where is peak is possible, that peak location we have to
and
choose.
you can increase or decrease the number of steps you are taking in omega. So I have taken 5 because one scan was 1.5 minutes, 5 scans of 8 or something minutes. That is just for demo. But say you have to do a study, you can make 50 scans, 100 scans.
Takes
So
time.
You will have a lot of time, but you will see this gradual change. Right now I am seeing this sudden change, -1 to 0. What happens between -1 and 0? Right? And I have seen only up till -1. You can actually increase or decrease this number. What if more crystallites are oriented in -2? I have not seen them. No, -2 is there. -2 is there. But say -3. Other tilts we have not seen. So you can increase the tilt range. Wobble range को आप बढ़ाते.
मैक्सिमम कितना तक जा सके?
Go to 3, 4, 5.
5 तक जा सके.
5 degrees is reasonable.
Okay.
तो -5 डिग्री को कैप्चर करना मुश्किल है ना डिटेक्टर के लिए.
So up
So
to
usually crystallites are not misoriented so much than 5 degrees. है ना? If crystallite is supposed to be like this, it can only tilt. It can only have this tilt. Plus, in this method, you can only judge this You cannot judge this tip. You have no way to judge this tip. For that, there is a stage which rotates the sample in a controlled manner. You take one scan like this, other scan like this, then other scan like this. Then you have this data. So this data, where you have this rotation and this rotation, is called pole figure. This is texture measurement. जो आपने पढ़ा होगा texture measurement करते हैं, this is that.
Okay.
That's it.